Hello children. So let us start the basic mathematical operations. Okay. So for every small, say the beginning one, that is you should know what it is attached with this x. Okay. So most of the children starting from 5th standard or 6th standard, wherever algebraic starts, this x is having a number called 1. Suppose you multiply by 1. Okay. So when you multiply, what you get? You get is equal to x. Okay, x into 1 is x. Then you divide by 1. What will happen if you divide by 1? X divided by 1 is always x. Okay. Then similarly, you are going to put, say, power. Okay, or x raised to 1. The value is also again x. What you find? What you find from this? Children, you can see 1 is not at all troubling the x value. Okay, if you multiply by 1 or divide by 1 or to the power of 1, the x value doesn't change. From this, what is the conclusion? We can treat 1 as a friend. Okay, so 1 as a friend. 1 is a friend. Okay, so most exciting one, maths. Okay, so you should know these operations, and this information, most of the textbooks you don't find that, but I'll be teaching, I'll be giving all the knowledge, all the maths operation with connecting with your daily life. Okay, next you will ask me what is enemy, who is enemy. Okay, you are going to ask me who is enemy. So enemy is, say, if you put 0, okay, 0 is the enemy. For example, you have in your account balance, say, some amount like say 4 lakhs, and the manager will put into 0. Okay, then what happens? That the entire value will become 0. So 0 is the enemy, very dangerous. Okay, so when you multiply, it becomes 0. 0 divided by x is also 0. Okay, when you divide by x, 0 by x. And what is x divided by 0? What is x divided by 0? X divided by 0 is infinite. Okay, it's not defined. Understand? X divided by 0 is not defined. And x divided by infinity is 0. Okay, another one is, that is x raised to 0 is 1. So these are the operations. Say 0 is your enemy. What is the conclusion? 0 is the enemy and 1 is the friend. So I'm just for entertainment sake, for excitement, for children to understand, to love mathematics is very important. Okay, you should not be afraid of mathematics at all. You should use your brain and you should enjoy mathematics. That is my objective for my channel. Okay, I'm coming in this channel to entertain all children. Okay, understand? So x is, you are multiplying with 1, you are getting x. You are dividing by 1, again the value of x doesn't change. You are to the x raised to 1 is also x. Then 1 is a friend and 0 is your enemy, because if you multiply it will be 0. 0 divided by x is 0. X divided by 0 is infinite and x divided by infinity is 0. X raised to 0 is 1. So this is a very basic thing. You don't find in most of the textbooks, and this information you should know that. Next comes your nth order x raised to nth order of x, okay, raised to m. This is a general thing. Okay, it looks very simple, but all children should know this compulsorily, how the operations are happening in maths. Okay, so n is the order and m is the power. Okay, then it can be written as x raised to m divided by n. So okay, so nth order x raised to m is equal to x raised to m by n. So now the question is, why it is so important? For example, if you take root of x, here what happens is, most of the children or most of the teachers, what they teach is just root of x into root of x is equal to x itself. So this further details is a must, because there will be so many doubts for children. Okay, this root of x is nothing but, if nothing is given, it's understood that 2 is there here. Okay, the order is 2 and the power is 1. Okay, so square root of x, it's understood. Even if it's not written, you should understand that. Then according to this formula, m by n, that is 1 by 2. Is it clear? So next, x into x or root x into root x. Root x into root x is x itself. Okay, how to remember this? So x raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is x raised to 1 is equal to x. Stop.